In today's video, you will learn how to make a base coat to strengthen and grow your nails at home using natural ingredients. Did you know you can accelerate your nails' growth? Most women dream of long, strong nails, right? But did you know that our nails reflect much more than our beauty? Brittle nails that flake and break for no reason. Stained, vertical, and horizontal wedges. Small white or purple nails. Any nails that aren't strong and pretty can show your health state. Watch the video suggested at the end of this one to learn how to identify health issues by looking at your nails. If you have brittle nails, check out how to make a natural strengthening base coat with rosemary and coconut oil. Rosemary has properties that help strengthen, stimulate, and accelerate nail growth. Its antifungal and antimicrobial properties help treat nail fungi. Coconut oil is rich in vitamin E, minerals, and fatty acids that hydrate and strengthen nails. In addition to hydrating the nails, coconut oil also improves blood circulation, preventing the nails from getting brittle. And since it has moisturizing action, it takes care of cuticles, helping the nails grow healthy. You will need coconut oil, fresh or dried rosemary, and 1 empty nail polish bottle. Wash and thoroughly sanitize the nail polish bottle. Then fill half of it with rosemary and complete with coconut oil. Let it sit for 2 days, then use it as needed. After a few days of use, you will notice your nails growing stronger. Besides these external cares to keep your nails healthy, it is essential to maintain a balanced diet so your nails can grow stronger from the inside to outside. If you live in a cold place and your coconut oil hardens, warm it up over a double boiler to make it liquid again. Try it and share your experience with us.